I got this hot dog dicer from the brand, and I'm so excited to try it, y'all, because my sister has 5 kids under 7, and 4 of them are under 5. And cutting hot dogs into tiny pieces is always like a whole chore for her. But this little tool is designed specifically to cut hot dogs into perfect bite-sized pieces for kids under 5 years of age. And the whole thing is made of rubber, which is fantastic. And inside of it, it has this little tray. Now, the instructions do say that it works best on cold hot dogs, but nobody wants to serve cold hot dogs to their kids, right? So I'm actually going to test both a cold one and a hot one and kind of show you the difference to see what it does and how it cuts. But before that, I also want to check to see if bun length hot dogs will actually fit because they're a bit longer than regular lengths. And so it does go ahead and give you this little measuring. And just to show you, these are bun length and they absolutely fit. So let's cut a cold hot dog first, okay? Now all you do is you place it on the inside, you push it down, and it cuts super clean. It does take a little bit of pressure. If you don't hold that splash guard, it will pop up, but the pieces come out the perfect size for your little ones. Now for the hot dog, you will see the steam coming off of this. I did use the splash guard on both times because I wanted to make sure that nothing's hit me in the face or splashed me or anything like that, because hot dogs are juicy and they do tend to splash. You can see that this actually just cuts super clean. There's no splatter hitting me whatsoever. And then the pieces come out the exact same size as the cold one. So just make sure you let these cool before serving them to your kiddo, so that way your kiddo doesn't get burned. Now, another feature that I really like is this locking tray on the bottom. Now, when you lift it, you will see that it catches all these juices. This is dishwasher safe. And then of course, it's also easy to hand wash as well. All the blades are kid safe. They aren't sharp at all. So this is actually a great way to help your little ones help you in the kitchen without them having to use a real knife. And I really love that because it helps them to build confidence and of course have a little bit of independence as well. Overall, I think this thing is fantastic. I know my sister is going to love it, y'all, because this is actually going to save her time and it's going to make her hot dogs the perfect size for her little ones. All of her kids are going to have a little bit of independence in the kitchen without the stress of any kind of sharp blades. And I know that this is just going to make it so much easier for them when they're having hot dog night.